Wait, let me put up. Oh my gosh, my bun. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, first impressions on my new camera. And let me get up the details real quick. The camera is the Sony CyberShot DSC h300. We're just gonna check it out and see how it is. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the whole bundle was $214, and it comes with tripods, and you'll see everything it comes with. So let's just dive in. Let's start with the camera itself. Sony CyberShot DSC h300, and it looks like so. And it looks nice, like oh my man. So since this was a Walmart bundle, everything I ordered, like the extras, came with the price of it. So everything came up to $214, but the camera itself is originally $178. So there's these pamphlets. Yeah, you want to see. Ooh, I know it's not gonna turn on right now because you gotta put batteries and stuff in it, but this is just how it looks. Like that, and I'm guessing I have to put batteries in it. This does take 4 batteries, but this is how the camera itself looks. And there's just this little cord in here, I'm guessing the USB adapter, and then a Sony camera strap. It comes with the camera lens, so let's take this out. And then there's 4 batteries in here, and let's pop them in. Okay. Like, I like this. Hold on, I'll be back. I just took a picture of my nails, and I think this quality is like good. Play around with this more later, but I want to unbox all the other stuff. And also, I hear you shouldn't just leave batteries in cameras, so that's why we're gonna take that out for now. Yes, very pleased, happy, good quality. Next we have this Precision Design PG50. Okay, it's basically a 50-inch tripod. Okay, it looks like a tripod I've had before. That's where you would screw the camera onto. I don't know if people know, like, to mount and unmount this. You do that for a long time. I never knew that. Oh, it has a level thing over here. Did not expect. If you ever try to see if something's straight with that one tool, don't know what it's called, but the bubble's supposed to be in the middle if it's straight. So it looks like that. And then we just have a mover thing. It's very cheaply made. High it goes from there to there, and this is very flimsy, so I'm gonna put all this stuff back up. Oh, it's a cute little bag. We got that. Back here. Next is our camera case, and ooh, this is cute. It's nice. So first, the outside, there's a little strap area. There's the strap right here, and then there's a little pocket right here, mesh pocket, little mesh pocket right here, and let's unzip it here. And then there's a little strap, and then it looks like there's room to put your camera in, or you can take this out and adjust it as you please. Let's say I want more room for my camera, just move it over a little more. So like batteries, rechargeable batteries, all that. It's a cute little like beginner friendly type set already. This is the rechargeable battery, but they're like rechargeable batteries, and then the rechargeable case, so you like plug this whole thing into the wall and it charges your batteries up fast. I'm so upset because they said there would be a mini tripod, but there's no mini tripod. Oh my gosh, never mind, it is a mini tripod. So next we have a camera video mini tripod. Guys, They said mini, but I didn't think that mini. Oh my gosh, it really is a mini tripod. That's crazy. It's one of those, so you could just set your camera, wrap it around something. Mini tripod. That's why. Oh no, this is a SD card reader, so it like reads SD cards or something. I don't know. If you know what this is for, let me know. Then next we have a SD card holder. It reminds me of a little mini file cabinet. We have the screen protectors for the camera itself, the cleaning cloth for the screen protectors, the microfiber cleaning cloth, the digital care kit, all of these together. And lastly is our SD card, and I got a 16GB SD card because yeah, that's that. Minus the trash, this is just everything in the back. I got 2 tripods, camera case, rechargeable battery case. Batteries come with the camera itself, SD card, the cleaning kit. I think this is the SD card reader. It says the SD card reader, but I don't understand how to work it. We'll look into it. And then SD card holder. So like literally everything is just amazing. But overall, this is a nice camera to me. I plan on doing more photos with it. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. I got like so many uploads back to back to back on the way, like it's crazy, but consistency is key. Bye.